Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. It's another episode with my very special guest, my Mama Angela. Say hello everybody.
Ciao a tutti! I love everybody! Mamma mia!
Are you sure, Ma?
Yes. I don't have any enemies. No. Everybody loves me because I love everybody. Rossella, come on.
She loves everybody.
Yes.
Absolutely everybody.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. And Ma, why don't you tell everybody what we're going to make today?
Oh, nice and quick and delicious. Pistachio Tiramisu.
You mean pistachio?
Rossella, you pronounce it for me. Come on. It's too difficult.
Another one of Ma's quick and easy recipes, because if you guys have been watching for a while, you know that Mama Angela likes to take any shortcut she can find when it's making a good recipe, and this pistachio tiramisu is no exception. Ma, how'd you come up with this one?
You remember, Rossella, I used to make the Nutella tiramisu.
Yeah, because you don't have to cook that either.
Yeah, of course. You know, where every time you have parties with your girlfriends, I used to do something quick. But then when I saw a jar of pistachio, I fell in love with it. I said, it's so exotic, so delicious. And, you know me, I'm creative. Rossa, I'm an artist. I like to put things together. And, I experimented with the pistachio.
So this pistachio cream, guys, is all the rage in Italy right now. Now we have it here. We actually have this available in our online shop. But it's basically a pistachio Nutella, if you can imagine. It's a spread that you can put on bread, on toast. Really, you can use it the same exact way that you use Nutella, but it's pistachio flavored, and it is so, so good that we're going to use it to make a really cool and different tiramisu. Now, this is not a classic tiramisu. There's no coffee in this. There's no eggs and whatever, and that's in a classic tiramisu. So the only thing tiramisu about it is the layering with the Savoiardi cookies, with the ladyfinger cookies. That's about it. Yes. But it still is a fantastic no-bake dessert that is going to wow everybody. Believe me, people are going to be asking you to bring this over. Just saying.
Oh, yes. What's that? That happened to us. Yeah. Everybody wanted it.
So let's go over the ingredients really quick.
Oh, nice and easy. Whipped cream. First of all,
we're going to make some whipped cream.
We have to make the whipped
and then we have some mascarpone cheese softened that we're going to mix the pistachio cream with. Then we have some milk. We have a little tiny bit of almond extract, some vanillina, of course, because I put this in everything. Yes. We have our Savoiardi, our ladyfinger cookies, and we have some pistachios, beautiful green pistachios. Yes. Because green is the name of the game.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
It has to look green, otherwise you don't think it's pistachio.
Yeah, you wouldn't believe it.
You won't believe it,
right?
Yes.
Yeah. And this is no food coloring, so all the pistachio green color is going to come straight from the spread. So first thing we're going to do, make some whipped cream, Ma.
Yes.
All right. So guys, make sure your whipped cream, your heavy whipping cream is cold from the fridge, because otherwise it's not going to whip. Forget about it. All right. Okay.
Nice and thick, you see? What's that? Solid.
Yes, very solid.
Okay.
So now we're going to get our pistachio cream situationed. Yes. And to make this nice and soft, I actually soaked the jar in some hot water. You can also use a microwave, but we don't have a microwave.
No, never.
We never had one.
No.
What are you going to do? So I'm just going to add this to the mascarpone. Wow, why didn't we ever have a microwave? Tell people.
Well, I didn't believe in it.
Why didn't you believe in it?
I'm old-fashioned. What do you want me to do?
Tell them that you used to tell me that the radiation was going to kill us.
Yeah, I'm paranoid. What can I do? I didn't believe in it. I didn't like it. I never used it. What do you want?
Can't reason.
Capatosta, I'm Italian. C'ho la testa dura.
Can you open the other jar for me?
Yes, no problem. The tape over here. Ecco.
Okay.
Ma no, quando è buono. Oh, mamma mia.
This is so, so good. This is actually made in Italy with Italian pistachios.
Yes.
That's why they're so green. So if you guys notice, pistachios that are, from other countries, they're kind of a dull green. They're not like this bright, vibrant green. And actually, Italy, in particular, Sicily, is very famous for their pistachios.
yes.
An area called Bronte in Sicily makes the most famous, expensive pistachios in the world. But they are the greenest and prettiest. I've actually been there, and it's unbelievable. Such a gorgeous green color.
Oh, yes. And it's nice and delicious and healthy.
Well, the tiramisu is not healthy. Exactly.
Well, a little fattening, but that's it.
You gotta live.
Yeah, you have to live. But listen, if you have to sin and gain a little weight, it better be worth it. Capisci?
I'm adding.
That's my attitude.
So I'm adding a little packet of vanillina because they have to put vanillina in everything.
Yes.
And I'm gonna take this and it's so thick that you gotta get the excess off here.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use this to just give this a quick spin.
And I love it when she helps me out and she does most of the work. Mommy, easy way out, girl.
Is that the only reason you do the show with me?
No, I love the show. You kidding me? And,
Why do you love the show, Ma?
Because people like me, and I have to like them back. Capisci? Respect.
Okay. Beautiful.
How quick is that?
So make sure that you're using mascarpone that is softened, that's not cold from the fridge, because if it's too cold, what I found that happens is that it can kind of curdle and get grainy, and you don't want that. That's not good.
No, absolutely.
Okay, Ma, so I'm going to keep mixing, and you can add in the
Yes.
whipped cream.
Okay.
Okay, put some. Mix this in.
Ma proprio buono. The queen of cream. Mamma mia. Questa è veramente che è una crema fatta a crema. No, the artificial creams. Come on. You have to eat well. Treat your body with the best. And if you have to sin and eat something that's fattening, it better be worth it. It better be the best. That's my attitude, Sometimes, I treat myself, but I don't care about those calories. But I want to eat the best. Right,
Alrighty.
Rossella?
Yes, Ma, I totally agree.
Better be worth it.
Okay, Ma, muovi questo away.
Like this guy used to say, if I have to cheat on my wife, it better be worth it. Capisci?
Okay, so now to make our tiramisu, we're going to soak our savoiardi in some milk.
Yes.
Some milk, and we're going to flavor our milk a little tiny bit. Of course, you want some
With vanillina.
vanillina
She
in
puts
there.
it everywhere. It's
everywhere.
hot parsley. Capisci?
And a little bit of almond extract.
Yeah. Gives a delicate flavor.
Just for a little flavor.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
We can start.
We can start.
The building of a cake. Mamma mia. Okay. I feel like a bricklayer.
Okay, now we got to break the cookies to fit.
Yeah. Done.
Okay. So now we're going to do our first layer of cream. You want to put about a third.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, then we sprinkle it with real. So you taste those nice and crunchy.
It adds a little crunch and a little color, the pistachios. They're
Yeah.
so pretty. Look how green they are.
Oh yeah, so green. Oh my God, too bad I know a joke about the green, but
I think that's a dirty joke, Ma. Save it.
No. My jokes are not dirty.
Save it for another time.
Yeah,
Ma.
I'll save it.
Yeah. Okay.
And you can have fun and put them.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You're
different.
going all out of order over here.
No, different direction.
What are you doing?
No, it's better.
What are you doing, Ma?
I always change.
You can't just go one way and then go the other way.
No, I do. You can do whatever you want when you cook.
Wow, Ma.
Yes.
I don't know.
Freedom.
I don't know. It's a little crazy, if you ask me.
No.
What is that?
Another way.
Ma,
Come on. Hey, I'm doing it.
I'm moving this.
Ma guardano un poco. No respect, girls. No respect.
You can't do it that way.
Okay.
And you don't want to dip the cookies for too long. You only
No,
have to go.
otherwise it's ammosciata. No.
Yeah, you don't want anything
No.
in this recipe to be ammosciata.
Absolutely not.
It's a no good.
No, no good. No.
All right, basta.
Oh, it's enough. Yeah. Okay.
Now we got another layer of cream.
Quando è bella e quando è buona.
Now notice we did not put any sugar in the whipped cream because this spread is super sweet and that's really all you need. You can add some sugar if you want, if you don't think it's sweet enough, but I think it's sweet.
No, I won't recommend it because you destroy the natural flavor with too much sugar.
And then Nonna complains if we put too much sugar.
yeah.
All the time.
Yeah, always.
Everything is too salty or too sweet for Nonna.
Yeah. And we have to please Nonna. She's the boss. Avete capito?
She is?
Oh, yes. Nonna.
Who's the boss, Nonna or you?
No, Nonna. Because she's older. The Italian families, whoever's older is the boss. Capisci?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, respect.
But how come her sister's younger and she's the boss?
Well, let's not go into that. Come on.
Family dynamics.
No, Nonna makes her believe that she's the boss, but Nonna is the boss because she's the oldest.
Beautiful.
Vista.
So guys, don't worry if you don't have the Italian pistachios, of course. You can get them in our online shop, but if you just have the regular pistachios, totally use those.
Yes. Che buoni. Okay.
Last layer of cookies.
Yes. Wow, perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's time to top it all off with our last layer of our
be
beautiful
generous
cream.
With the last layer. Ah, nice. My God, how easy is that?
So easy because I'm doing it.
Anybody can do it. I guarantee you. You don't have to be a chef. Anybody can do it. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy with Angela. I think Angela's going to get her own show. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments if you want my mom to have her own show.
You never know in life. Anything can happen.
You should call-in guests, Ma, on your show. You should do an advice column.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, you give a lot of good advices.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Girls, always the easy way out.
That's her number one tip, of course.
Don't fuss. Time is precious. Remember that. And don't overdo it.
No, for what?
No, for what? You think you're going to get appreciation if you overdo it? No way. This looks great.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, and then, when you bring it over to somebody, you're going to say, oh my God, it took me so long to do it. They'll believe it because it looks great.
Why you gotta guilt people though, Ma?
Huh?
Why you gotta guilt people?
Hey, that's life.
Why you gotta lie? Why would you lie and say you worked so hard?
Everybody lies. Capisci? What, you're going to be sincere in a world where everybody lies? Hey, just go with the flow. Look good. This tiramisu looks great.
Oh,
and
wow.
People might think, oh, it took us so long to do it, to do that delicious cake. Okay.
Okay,
Now
let's-
it's the end of it.
Hold on, let's smooth out the top.
And now the final step.
The finishing touch.
Yes. Oh, look how beautiful.
I'm going to put some pistachios
Mamma
too.
mia.
The more the better, right, Ma?
Yeah. See, they look like semi-precious stones. Que bello. I love green.
You should find some green leopard outfits.
Oh, yeah, I'm looking for it. But, you know, you remember when we gave this to Nonna, and Nonna said, "You want me to eat a green cake?" She didn't understand it was a pistachio cake.
No, she asked, how do we make it green?
Yeah. No, but it was weird for her. A green cake. Mommy.
Nonna doesn't like food coloring.
Oh, no, absolutely.
But this is naturally green from the
Naturally
beautiful
green.
green Italian pistachio.
This is real green.
All right.
Okay.
So now you're going to cover this with plastic wrap, or if you don't want to mess with the top, you don't really have to. Just make sure your fridge is clean.
Yeah.
And refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or overnight. This is a great make-ahead dessert for that reason, that you can make it the night before. And then when we come back, we are going to cut it and eat it and taste it.
Oh, mamma mia. Delizioso.
We'll be right back.
Ciao.
Wow,
Wow.
Ma, look how good it looks.
Great.
You ready to taste it?
Yes.
This-
Can't wait.
This has been chilling, and it's firm and ready to cut and to taste. I'm excited. You excited?
Oh, mamma mia.
Okay.
I can't wait, Rossella. I'm going to treat myself with something super delicious.
Super delicious.
And, you know, forget about the calories. If I gain a little some pounds because of this, it's worth it.
Ooh.
Oh, mamma mia, che buono.
Look at how good this looks. Look at all these
Okay.
layers.
Sorry, but I'm going to eat it all. And
Oh, I got to cut myself a piece too?
yeah, for you a little piece.
Oh, okay. For me. Why? Because
Eh?
why? I got to watch?
Because then you're going to say, oh,
I'm gonna cut a smaller piece
yeah, small piece.
for myself because
Yeah.
that one's for you, clearly. That's a good.
Nice and firm. Non è ammusciato.
It's not amouchade at all,
No, absolutely.
which is very important.
Yes.
Nobody likes cake that's amouchade.
No, absolutely not. Mamma mia.
Mm. Oh my goodness.
And I love it because it's not too sweet.
Oh my. This is good.
Quanto è buono.
This is so, so good. Oh my goodness.
Buono. To die for.
I love the way the pistachio spread kind of hardens with the whipped cream and the mascarpone.
Yeah.
And it makes everything nice and firm. See, it kind of like stands up on its own, but it's still super, super creamy and super delicious.
Mamma mia. Buono.
And that little crunch from the pistachio is
Oh.
perfect. Because
Oh,
you need
yeah.
a little texture in something like this.
Yes.
So good.
And so easy to make.
Well, if it wasn't easy, you wouldn't be making it.
No, aspetta. No way.
Perfect with a cup of coffee.
Oh, yeah, my espresso.
Cheers, Ma.
Cin cin. Salute.
So, Ma, say goodbye to everybody. Thank
Ciao
you
a
for being on the show.
tutti. I love everybody. Ciao.
Even though you have to be on the show because you're my mother.
Yeah, I love everybody, even her.
Bye, everybody. We'll see
Ciao.
you guys next time.
Ciao, ciao.